This video is going to be how to use Deel for global payroll in 2025. Hi everyone, this is Erin from StartupWise. If you're trying to hire or pay employees around the world, you've probably already realized how complicated it can get. Every country has different tax rules, different labor laws, and different requirements for things like benefits or compliance. That's where Deel comes in. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how Deel makes global payroll simple, how it supports businesses in over 130 countries, and then I'll show you their current pricing plan so you can see exactly what it costs. Section 1, what Deel actually does. Let's start with the big picture. Deel is a platform built specifically to help companies hire and pay workers globally, and that means whether you're bringing on a full-time employee in Germany, a contractor in Brazil, or if you're running payroll for a small team in the United States, Deel gives you one place to handle it. Here's what's powerful about it. Employee of record EOR. If you want to hire someone in a country where you don't have a legal entity, Deel acts as the employer on your behalf. They handle local compliance, taxes, and contracts, so you don't need to set up a company in that country. Contractors. Deel makes it simple to hire freelancers or independent contractors anywhere in the world. They take care of the payments, currency conversions, and tax documents, so you don't have to worry about missing a single step. Payroll. Deel runs payroll in over 120 countries. Instead of managing spreadsheets or wiring money yourself, Deel processes payments, stays on top of local tax filings, and ensures your team gets paid correctly and on time. Compliance and benefits. Beyond payroll, Deel also handles things like employment contracts, country-specific benefits, and compliance checks. That means less legal risk for you as the founder. So instead of juggling different providers for each country, Deel becomes the one hub where everything happens. Another perk is transparency. Deel automatically generates compliance and tax reports so you can download anytime, which is a lifesaver if you need to show investors or a bank that you're running payroll correctly. Plus, their built-in currency conversion locks in competitive exchange rates so you're not losing hidden dollars to bank fees every single pay cycle. Section 2, why it matters for founders. Let me give you an example that shows how this plays out day to day. Platzi, an online learning platform that started in Latin America, was growing fast and hiring people in a bunch of different countries. Spain, Chile, and Canada, all at the same time. Normally, that kind of expansion is a paperwork nightmare. You'd have to figure out how to register a company in each country, learn every local payroll rule, and draft contracts that meet different legal standards. It's slow, expensive, and honestly pretty stressful. They used Deel instead. Deel generated the correct contracts for each country, handled the local tax registrations, and set up payroll in each currency. Their new hires just filled in their information online and were ready to start work within days. If you're a founder or a small business owner, time is everything. Global payroll can eat up your hours each month. Worse, if you mess it up, you end up risking fines, penalties, or even losing the ability to hire in certain countries. Deel solves that by putting compliance first. Think about it this way. Imagine you want to hire a developer in Argentina, a marketer in, let's say, Canada, and a support rep in South Africa. Without Deel, you'd need local lawyers, accountants, and payroll services in each of those countries. With Deel, you log in, create the contracts, and payroll is handled automatically. What's nice about this is that nothing about the hiring process feels different to Platzi's team. They didn't have to pause projects or hire a bunch of lawyers. They just kept moving forward with their launch plans while Deel quietly handled the compliance side in the background. That's the kind of steady, practical help most founders need when they're hiring across borders. No big drama, just a smoother way to get people working without delays or extra costs. This also gives your team confidence. When employees know they'll be paid accurately and on time, no matter where they live, it helps build that trust and helps with retention. Deel also lets workers choose how they want to be paid, whether that's a local bank transfer or digital wallets like Wise or Payoneer. Section 3, pricing overview. All right, so if you want to follow along, go ahead and click the link down below at startupwise.com/Deel payroll. Then we're going to open up pricing. Once we are on the pricing page, you can see for payroll starts off with Deel EOR, so their employer of record. You can hire and manage employees globally without setting up those local entities. First off, it's $5.99 per employee per month. You get full legal employment in over 150 countries, local tax, payroll, and labor compliance, so making sure that they're eligible to go to work, automated payroll processing, benefits administration, get seamless onboarding, which is really important because you want to make sure they get through all of the paperwork and onboarding to actually begin the position that you're hiring for, and then the automatic contract generation, which is really great because that takes a lot of time to generate, so it already does that for you, and you get continuous HR and legal support. So this includes essentially full legal help and employment in over 150 countries, which I think is a great deal considering that they take care of everything for you. Then we have the Deel contractor management. You can simplify global contractor hiring, payments, and compliance. So here it's $49 per contractor per month. You get automated localized contract generation, compliant payments in over 150 currencies, tax document management, streamlined onboarding workflows, verification and compliance checks, so like checking those IDs, invoice approvals, and expense tracking. This is great for paying freelancers or contractors. It covers the automated contract generation payments. Okay, and then we have the Deel contractor of record, so it lets them handle payroll for your own entities across 130 countries. You start off at $325 per contractor per month. You get compliance for contractor classification, compliance for worker status, tax and labor law adherence, it reduces misclassification risks, automated payment and invoicing, contract management with local expertise, and a smooth transition from contractor to a full-time employee. As you scroll down, they also have a Deel PEO, so you could get HR, payroll, and benefit support and keep control of daily administration, which is free up to 3 months. You also get Deel US Payroll, where you can speak to a sales member, and then you also get Deel Global Payroll to consolidate and automate payroll operations for distributed workforces, starting at $29 per employee per month. So you can see Deel has a plan for almost every single scenario, from hiring one contractor to building a 50-person international team. It's worth pointing out that you can mix and match these plans. For example, you might have a core team on the employer of record plan, a handful of freelancers on contractor management, and still use global payroll for local employees, all managed from the same dashboard. That flexibility is key when your team structure changes as you grow. Section 4 wrap up. If you're just starting out, Deel's contractor option is usually the most affordable at $49 per contractor per month. But if you're planning to expand globally with full-time employees, the employer of record plan at $5.99 per month is what you'd use to stay compliant. The bottom line, Deel is built to take the headaches out of paying people across borders. It's not the cheapest solution out there, but it saves founders time, it keeps you compliant, and it makes global hiring possible without a mountain of paperwork. And the link to check out Deel for your business is down below at startupwise.com/Deel payroll. This is Erin from StartupWise, and I'll see you in the next one.